And in breaking news that's just coming in, the Supreme Court has disapproved of putting up isolation posters outside the homes of COVID patients. The top court observed that if at all such a need arises, the act will be carried out post-consultation with competent authorities. Now, this ruling came in after the plea challenging the decision of various state governments. Those are the details at this point in time. This is with regard to home isolation posters that are usually being put up outside the homes of COVID patients. The Supreme Court says that is not necessary at this point in time. Meenakshi joining us for more details. Meenakshi, this is perhaps an important step here coming in from word coming in from the top court, because this kind of the isolation posters only increases the stigma surrounding COVID.
Well, that's right, Abhi, and that is why the Supreme Court's ruling assumes importance in a plea, which, like you rightly mentioned, was challenging the decision of various state governments to affix these posters outside the homes of COVID-19 patients who are in isolation. So the Supreme Court of India has disapproved of home isolation posters outside COVID-19 patients. In a ruling that was passed a short while back, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and said that such posters can be affixed by state governments only when competent authorities under the Disaster Management Act issue specific notifications or directions for affixing of such posters. So you're absolutely right about the stigma part insofar as the local resident welfare associations and other bodies were concerned. This will come as a setback to them, given the fact that the top court of this country doesn't feel that reasons exist to affix such posters, increasing the stigmatization of those who are aggrieved with the COVID-19 virus.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.